Now from harmonica to focus. In focus today, we bring you a detailed report on the Garhi Art Festival. Mamta Chopra lets you know more about it.
An artist's mind is like a wild bird, ready to soar high into the vast realms of creativity. And one such place which provides the right kind of environment to give wings to this flight of creativity is Garhi Artist Complex. Nestled in a semi-rural setting in South Delhi, this complex is spread in an area of 4 acres of land, and this place bustles with activity as sculptors, painters and printmakers fashion out the artifacts in the perfect ambience of total relaxed atmosphere and total sense of freedom. Garhi Artist Complex is fully funded by Government of India and is managed by Lalit Kala Academy, and it is a complex which is one of its kind in Asia. Garhi Artist Complex is an exclusive place for these artists, providing them with a working space in which these artists can freely interact among themselves and also exchange their creative ideas and their skills in a relaxed environment. And often they discuss among themselves their concerns related to the field of art and the issues. The celebrated precincts of this complex can boast of many well-known artists who have their studios here and come here almost daily to carry on with their creative pursuits. This complex is a home to more than 100 artists who come here every day to do their creative work. Let's hear from them what they have to say about this place.
Well, I've been in here in the studio ever since it started, and I would say it's like heaven for the artists, because I don't think there is anywhere else there is a facility like this for peanuts in the world. So the artists have it very good here. I think we are spoiling them a bit, but all the same, it's otherwise very difficult in India to be a potter unless you are, you see, because material, there is nothing like a pottery shop today. Even today in India, you have to buy one material in Chaudi Bazaar, another one in Tilak Bazaar, and so here you get everything. So that's a very big headache of your head. You can't buy a wheel, you have to get one made, here one made for you. So kiln is made for you. So everything you have and all for you to use. So whatever time you have, you can devote to your work instead of chasing all these things. That's a very big thing. By and large, I mean, I think people have never had it so good.
In this studio, not only Indian artists, many other artists from abroad also have come and work, and they like the place. Like few months back, one artist from Pakistan, she came here and she worked here. And she liked the place, and she gave the interview that in Pakistan there is no place like Garhi. You know. So that way it is very important. And it is not even that. When we work, sometimes many students come, from various colleges. And when they ask many queries, how you work, how you teach. So that way they also learn something. Of course, many junior artists who come, they take some advice from the senior artists, at how to go through. So that way it helps them.
And now we have with us Rajan Fulari, who is the supervisor of Graphic Studio. Rajan, this Graphic Studio, how do you think is it helping in the creative learning of artists?
So basically here we have the almost major creative person who are working. They are around total number of 40 artists who are working in this community studio. It's basically a professional studio where the artists come and they come out with their creative outputs. It's not an institution where we teach. but it's the studios is access to the entire artists from all over India or even internationally also. So we have the artists from a different part of India who comes here and they express their own way of creative. So we have a different mediums like in printmaking, which is etchings, lithography. Then we have got wood cuts, lino cuts, and these are the different mediums which we practice.
I have been visiting this place from the mid-70s, and it is only after my retirement from the Government College of Art, Chandigarh, that I moved to this place. One reason why I moved to this place, because during all my visits to this place, I have found this place very, very inspiring and stimulating. And my 5 years of experience working here, that I have had a lot of interaction with the artists, plus then there is a lot of exposure also, and you are in an atmosphere which is very, very informal, very, very warm, and very, very friendly also. So here is a place where in fact art unites artists. So I think it's not only uniting the artist, but it's giving you a platform where you can raise your visual voice, first to be heard by your own community and then to the art in general.
In recent years, Garhi Artist Complex has been a center of creative hub as film shows, talks, lectures, discussions on art and related issues is being organized from time to time on regular basis. And it is in line with this practice that for the first time, Garhi Artist Complex has organized a 10-day long Garhi Art Festival starting from the 5th of March and continuing till the 15th of March. And a lot has been happening in this festival. Apart from slide talks and slide lectures by eminent persons from the art world, there are film shows, discussions and workshops on different facets of art. And not only that, there are also the cultural evenings based on the different forms of folk dance and music. And last but not the least, there is an exhibition cum sale of art objects from the permanent collection of Garhi Artists Complex.
Well, it's after a long time, after almost 32 years after the inception of this Garhi, that we are doing this festival. Our main idea is that Garhi has not reached to most of the people. And the artists here, the concept of these studios is that the artists come here and they work for some time and then they go back to their house. Through this festival, we want to integrate the artists also, unite the artists, have some sort of interaction. And also, the outside artists should also come here. The outside lay public should also know what is painting, what is sculpture, what is meant by metal casting. So that 10 days of festival would look more, it will give a festive look. We are also calling the senior artists to give some slide lectures and all, which was not before. So in fact, they have been giving their lectures and all, and people are coming because like Krishan Khanna, he had come. So we had Sanko Chaudhary who had come and given his brief this thing. So this is a kind of very successful thing, and people are looking forward ki ye kab hoga fir se, when will this again happen, so that we can just keep coming and seeing this.
And now we have with us Mr. M.K. Puri, a very senior artist who's been associated with Garhi Art Complex for a very, very long time. Mr. Puri, you've been associated with this complex since its inception. Now, talking of this complex, there's something called studios here which you don't get to hear in any other place. So what is this concept of studios being practiced here?
This concept came long time ago, when our many senior artists who were traveling abroad, they found there are facilities provided in other countries to the artists so that they can come and work there. And especially those who cannot afford to have their own studios, So a sort of facilities provided all over the world, in many countries. So this concept was, brought from there, and Shanku Chaudhary ji, who's the really person who gave us this place. So he then went to the government, sort of gave his ideas, and then this particular studios were made. First we had those 6 studios were made. Those are only for the artists to come and work here. But then the need was thought that we should have infrastructure for other disciplines also, like sculpture, like ceramic, like printmaking, because these need a lot of money for having the infrastructure, like furnaces, like rollers, which are very costly, and the printing presses. These are, and everybody cannot afford it. So this kind of facility was also provided here, so that the artists come here and they can come and work here professionally. And this actually was, originally this was not for studios, but this was actually created as a research center in the beginning. And but then it was found that it is not necessary to have research work to be done here. So they converted it into the studios, and our very, very well-known painters and sculptors, they came here, they worked here. You can count the big names, and almost all you will find they had been working here before. They went to their own studios finally, and they became big names. So the Garhi is a place which has given contemporary art a big name. And this is a very important center where at present we are having at least 134 artists working every day. So you can imagine the magnitude with which the art is being created here, and they all intermingle, they all interact with each other, they see each other work, and something or the other comes out from with each and every artist, which is original art, you can say. And so this is the house of original contemporary art.
In this Garhi studio, it is very more pleasurable and very good experience with so many other artists, and this is very good experience, I can say. Eminent people, and they are giving lectures, and they are sharing thoughts, and it's a very wonderful experience.
It's very privileged to be here, and we are very proud that we are representing College of Art Chandigarh. And basically when we came here, we were like, what is going to happen, what will we do? But initially when we started with that work, we have been appreciating. Firstly, Shanku Chaudhary and Neera Chaudhary came, they saw the work. And then yesterday, Arpana Kaur, she said something about the installation. We feel really proud, and it's been a very good platform for the artists. And we are very thankful to Lalit Kala Garhi that they have invited us, and hope this thing will continue.
That was Garhi Artist Complex, which provides platform to various artists, not only from different parts of India, but also to the visiting overseas artists who come here to fine-tune their skills and excel in their respective fields of creative art. And in the coming years, this complex is going to be a major destination for the future artists. As is rightly said, great artists have no country. I repeat, great artists have no country.
I hope you enjoyed that report. Well, it's time now for my favorite segment, Response, where we get to interact with you.